Okay, hey, what's up guys? Good evening. Today I have here the Nikon D750. Just got this day, so let's take a look what the inside. So first off, you got your Nikon box all loaded with the piece, the D750. So we're gonna open it up here. You got your manuals, but I won't be needing one of those. Here, get your chargers. Okay, batteries, straps, cables. What's this? HDMI cable?
Yeah.
Yeah, HDMI. And it's a moment I've been waiting for. Oh my god. Okay, let's do a quick sniff test. Smells like 70,000. Yeah. Let's try it out. We got the batteries. Wait, what the frick is the battery? Here. Put on the battery. Let's check it out. This thing works. What the freak? Oh, here. Oh, it turns on. Everything is working. So let's try. Oh my god.